everybody, and welcome back to Homestead House Science Experiments. I'm Olivia, and today we'll be experimenting the gravity that pulls everything down. And the things that you will be needing is a blank drawing pad, a pencil with an eraser, a container of water, a plastic container that has a lid that you can put on that and make sure that the lid does not fall off. 3 eggs, make sure they're not hard boiled, and some Gorilla Tape, a coffee filter, and a plastic bag. Okay, let's get started. So first what we're going to do is we are going to design what we want our parachute to look like. And that's the egg, this is the coffee holder. All those lines on the egg, that's the tape, and then here's the paper bag. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, this is the second experiment, but we are going to make it so that we don't have to make it. Well, we are going to make it. Okay, so we're going to use this as our model. Okay, so we're going to use Mr. Smiley. Hello! Hello, guys! Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to put Mr. Smiley in. Is this going to be dangerous? I don't think so. So we have our parachute ready. Now Mr. Smiley has all his gear on, the helmet, his safety pants. We're gonna pour this in and we'll drop the egg in.
All the way to the top.
Drop the egg in. Oh no. Make it almost to the top, but not overflowing, and then put the top on. Make sure it doesn't spill water, screw the top on, or just clicking the top on. Now let's test it. Okay, good. Yep. Okay, now we'll put Mr. Smiley in here. I don't know about this. Let's go outside. Let's do this. Okay, we're going to do this training test. Okay, see what happens. Okay, let's see.
Bounce!
I guess that the grass and the ground had was just so soft that it just bounced. Let's go try it on the concrete now. Okay, let's try it now.
Oh!
Yay! It broke! It totally broke! Yep, definitely broken. Okay, so what we're going to do is now we're going to do the parachute. Oh, Mr. Smiley, we're going to have something good today. Besides reading the newspaper, I don't know what's best. Okay, we're going to drop it. Oh, let's see what happens. What's happened? Mr. Smiley did not break. Wait. Oh, yes, he did. Oh, yes. Mr. Smiley is broken! No! Oh, no! Oh, my face! Oh! 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 Okay, next one. Okay, Okay, ready? Now we're gonna do the water. Okay. Let's see what happens. Is it right? No. Let's try it again. A little harder this time. And a little higher. I'm guessing I didn't break. No, it didn't. Let's try just really high. Can I climb on top of the truck?
Ah!
I guess it broke. It took about 5 drops from 8 feet high. The water's all bubbly and gross. Ugh. Water is also dirty. Ugh. Gross. Well, sorry, Mr. Smiley. The water actually protected it, but after 5 drops from 8 feet high, then it finally broke. Bye! See you next time.